Sometimes I want a good light meal. Just a stir-fried broccoli with garlic, a bowl of jasmine rice, and a cup of tea. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the broccoli into chunks. Peel the foot of the broccoli. Remove the hard parts. Cut it into slices. Crush the garlic cloves. Peel them and chop them. Dilute half teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time for 20 seconds. Then add the broccoli, a good pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, ten centiliters of water. Let's cook for 2 minutes and a half. Don't overcook the broccoli. It must remain crunchy. Put a lid. Stir from time to time. Add the diluted cornstarch. Stir for 20 seconds. Then cut off the fire. That's all. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my recipe. Rendezvous in my next homemade dish video.